Most stock pots are thin, warped, and burn everything in the bottom. After boiling enough water for a small village, I found only 5 pots distribute heat evenly and are built to last. The worst scorched a simple broth. But the champion? It boils faster, cleans easier, and feels indestructible. This is the definitive guide to the only stock pots worth buying. The results are boiling over. Starting at number 1. Amazon Basic Stock Pot. The Amazon Basic Stock Pot is designed for your cooking needs, boasting an impressive 8-quart capacity that allows you to prepare large batches of soups and stews with ease. Its heavy-gauge stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the aluminum encapsulated base promotes quick and even heating, saving you time in the kitchen. The pot features riveted stainless steel handles for a secure grip, making it easy to lift and maneuver. Additionally, the transparent tempered glass lid lets you monitor your cooking without lifting it, and it has a steam vent to prevent overflow. This versatility makes it a great addition to any stovetop. Number 2. Kirecoo Stainless Steel Stock Pot. The Kirecoo 8-quart pot is a versatile kitchen essential made from durable stainless steel with a robust 5-layer base. This design not only heats quickly but also ensures even heat distribution, making it perfect for cooking large meals without worrying about hot spots. The pot features riveted handles for a secure grip, allowing you to pour and move it safely. Its transparent glass lid lets you monitor your cooking progress, while maintaining heat and moisture for better results. Additionally, the nonstick interior makes food release easy and cleaning a breeze, enhancing your cooking experience. Number 3. CAROTE Nonstick Stock Pot. The CAROTE Nonstick Stock Pot is designed to make your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. Its nonstick surface, free from harmful chemicals like PFOS and PFOA, ensures your food won't stick, making cleanup quick and simple. Thanks to its triple-ply base, this pot heats up faster and distributes heat evenly, so your meals cook thoroughly and stay warm longer. The smooth interior without rivets means you can clean it with just a quick wipe, saving you time in the kitchen. Plus, its sturdy construction with a thick nonstick coating helps the pot resist warping, so it stays reliable for all your soups, sauces, and more. Number 4. Cook In-Home Nonstick Stock Pot. The Cook In-Home Nonstick Stock Pot is a versatile and convenient addition to any kitchen. Made of thick-gauge aluminum, this stock pot ensures even heat conduction and prevents hot spots, resulting in perfectly cooked meals every time. The nonstick coating on the interior makes food release and cleaning a breeze, saving you time and effort. The handles stay cool and are riveted for strength and durability, providing a comfortable and secure grip. The tempered glass lid with a steam vent allows you to easily monitor your cooking progress. Compatible with all types of stoves, including induction, this stock pot is also oven-safe and dishwasher-safe for added convenience. With its superior features, the Cook In-Home Nonstick Stock Pot is a must-have for any cooking enthusiast. Number 5. GreenPan Lima Stock Pot. The GreenPan Lima Stock Pot is a versatile and healthy cooking companion. Its thermal and healthy ceramic nonstick coating ensures that no toxic fumes are released, even if the pot is accidentally overheated. The tough hard anodized body is scratch-resistant, making it durable for everyday use. With an oven and broiler-safe design, you can easily transfer the pot from stovetop to oven. The durable glass lid allows for easy food monitoring, and it is also oven-safe. The riveted stainless steel handle provides a relaxed and comfortable grip. While it is not suitable for induction stovetops, this stock pot is compatible with all other stovetop types. Hand wash only for easy cleaning. To cook with confidence and never burn a batch of soup again, links to all 5 top-rated stock pots are in the description. If this testing helped you choose, please like the video, share it with your cooking friends, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell for our next reviews. Thanks for watching.